Where are we, Ian?
And we just crossed the border into Austria.
Which is famous for...
Famous for those little swirly biscuits.
And?
Birthplace of Conan Schwarzenegger.
Try again.
Birthplace of psychoanalysis.
No.
I don't know.
No, Ian. None of those things.
You two have been out of the country for a while. Do you ever wonder what's happening in Britain? Dawn?
Well, I haven't seen the news. But I have seen the internet, so I do know there was a cloud shaped like a man's bum cheeks over Lincoln.
Ian?
Well, I'm going to just have to go on instinct. So, triplets are dominating sport, and someone has invented a jam based not on fruit but on meat.
That's pate.
They've rebranded pate as meat jam, is that right?
I don't miss British news, actually.
Oh, there was an Italian television programme that had a big discussion about whether you can reincarnate ghosts from their DNA. So.
Oh, no, that's the kind of news I like. Optimistic. Yeah.
Wow, that is an Alp. Oh, it is properly sort of awe-inspiring, isn't it? I mean, you can see why people used to worship mountains, because there it is, all wreathed in cloud, and you're just like a little barbarian at the bottom of it, looking up and imagining a big gang of gods deciding your fate by rolling dice. And you know, or for someone else, it's like the like big bosoms of the earth goddess sticking up into the hands of the sky god, and everything you get from that is sustenance. Like the little stream that comes down is like the milk of the earth, and so you build your little settlement there and are drinking the goddess's bounty, and you're grateful for her magnificence, really.
Are you getting any of this? I'm doing your job for you. This is what you want. We've had enough of this. I've got a Batman costume for Transylvania. You're not seeing that now. Oh, what's the point?